Hello lovely viewers, it's your girl Christy aka Niki CH and welcome back to the Matter Gags, Brony Obitimi Akan. Yes, come the white with my dialect. If you really want to know, follow me. And on today's Akan proverb is Panyin ɔtena fie mmɔfra nanka yebunankawefoɔaɔkaho. Hi, please what's your name?
Gaby.
Gaby.
Yes.
Nice. Well, this is my dialect. Can you try reading it?
Yes, okay.
It's about to go down.
Panyin ɔtena fie mmɔfra nanka yebunankawefoɔ.
Repeat me.
Panyin ɔtena fie mmɔfra nanka yebunankawefoɔ.
Did you listen to yourself as you speak?
No, sir.
Are you funny?
Welcome to the Matter Gags. Hi, please what's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. Do you have a nickname?
Mash.
Mash, nice. Mash, this is my African dialect. Can you read this?
Okay, I'll try.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Panyin
Continue.
ɔtena fie mmɔfra nanka yebu.
Go and sit down.
Hi, please what's your name?
I'm Javon.
Javon, do you have a nickname?
No, not really.
Okay. Well, this is my dialect and try reading it.
Okay. Panyin ɔtena fie mmɔfra nanka
Wow! Hey! So intelligent!
yebunankawefoɔaɔkaho.
Hey! What a surprise! Thank you!
Repeat me.
Panyin ɔtena fie mmɔfra nanka yebunankawefoɔaɔkaho.
Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Micah.
Micah, do you have a nickname?
Not really. Some people call me Mike, but it's not really a nickname.
Ah, okay. And this is my dialect. It's a Ghanaian dialect. Can you read it?
Okay, I'll try.
Look at it.
Panyin ɔtena fie mmɔfra nanka
Thank you!
yebunankawefoɔaɔkaho.
Okay.
A word of storyteller. Are you sure?
Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Lena.
Lena, do you have a nickname?
Maybe Lean? I don't
Okay.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. No, I got it. All right, I got it.
And can you try reading my dialect?
Okay, it's Panyin ɔtena fie
Hey! What a surprise! Continue.
mmɔfra
What?
nanka yebunankawefoɔaɔkaho.
Okay.
Rono.
We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big ups. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.